It's a gorgeous March day in Myrtle Beach, and today we're going to take a look at 2041 Silver Spring Lane. This is a corner lot in Cresswind, which is a fantastic community and market common. The HOA takes care of all your landscaping. This community, and it's right here across the street, has one of the nicest clubhouses I've ever seen. Swimming pool, pickleball courts. They have an activities director. They've got a kitchen where they do cooking classes, a library, a computer room, yoga room, outdoor fire pit, kitchens, an amphitheater for parties. I mean, it really has it all. This is a really pretty, all hardy plank exterior home. So this is concrete fiberboard. You've got a big covered front porch here. I'm just gonna kind of pan out so you can see where you are. There are walking and biking trails. There's a big lake behind these houses here, and there's a walking trail around the lake. You can take your golf cart right to Myrtle Beach State Park. Right when you walk in, you've got this nice entranceway with crown moldings, nice hardwood floors, plantation shutters. Really, really neat house. To the right, there's a full bath here. It's a nice tile backsplash, transom window. There's me, hi, and it's windy, so my hair's a little windblown. You've got guest bedroom number 1 here. And these plantation shutters look out on the front porch. Ceiling fan, closet. If you walk back here, you've got a laundry room with a nice tub sink, place for a full-size washer and dryer and storage. There is a large double-car garage here. There's plenty of room out here. Gas hot water heater. The community also pays for an alarm system for all these houses. It also pays for cable and internet, if I remember correctly. Upstairs is another bedroom and full bath. Nice, well, I'm assuming the TV goes with it. There's me again, hi. So you've got another full bath up here. And a lot of people don't notice this. Voila. You've got storage and access to the gas heater and air handler. So up here, you've got floored storage, lots of nice insulation to keep you cool. Let's head back down and take a look at the kitchen and living room. So really, really nice open floor plan. High ceilings, crown moldings, recessed lighting, hardwood floors, pretty white cabinets. Lots of natural light in this house. Really pretty. I don't think my camera can do justice to actually how high the ceilings are in here. They've got to be over 12 feet. And then door right out here to a covered lanai. You got a little backyard area here. And then we'll take a look at the master bedroom. Got a big master bedroom here. Again, lots of windows, lots of natural light. All these were shut when I came in earlier, so I did open up one of the windows. And then a really pretty master bath here. You've got his and her sinks at separate ends of this big step-in shower with a seat. You've got a large linen closet, 2 doors here. You've got a separate door for the water closet. And there's A door that goes here, I saw it up in the storage room. The owner just took it off for some reason. And you've got a big walk-in closet here with some built-in shelving. So this is a super cute 3-bedroom, 3-bath house in Cresswind. It's inside Market Common District. You can take a bike, you can walk, you can take a golf cart, just about anywhere you want to go, from shops and restaurants to movie theaters to the parks to the beach. It's all right here. So for more information, give me a call. My name's Jay Bonnoitt with Century 21 Boling. Of course, all my contact information is right down below in the YouTube comment section. Hope you guys have a great day.